Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about an investment strategy that has been recommended by none other than Warren Buffett himself, investing in the S&P 500 index. If you're interested in learning more about how you can grow your wealth over the long term, then you won't want to miss this video. Investing can be intimidating, especially for beginners. But with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial goals. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the S&P 500 is a great investment choice and how you can make the most of it. I'll be covering three main points. 1. What is the S&P 500 index and why is it important? 2. Why has Warren Buffett recommended investing in the S&P 500? 3. How can you invest in the S&P 500 and make the most of your money? Before we dive into the details, let me share a personal story with you. When I first started investing, I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of options out there. Should I invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or something else entirely? It wasn't until I discovered the S&P 500 index that I felt like I had found my investment soulmate. This index tracks the performance of 500 of the largest companies in the US, so you get exposure to a diverse range of industries and sectors. Plus, it's easy to invest in and has a proven track record of delivering solid returns over the long term. What is the S&P 500 index? Simply put, it's a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. These companies come from a wide range of industries and sectors, which makes the S&P 500 a great way to get exposure to the overall economy. And because it includes so many different companies, it's also a relatively low-risk way to invest in the stock market. The S&P 500 has been around since 1926, and over that time, it has consistently delivered solid returns to investors. In fact, since its inception, the S&P 500 has averaged an annual return of around 10%. That's pretty impressive, right? And when you consider that most actively managed funds fail to beat the index over the long term, it's clear that investing in the S&P 500 is a smart choice. Now you might be thinking, but what about market downturns? Won't I lose all my money if the market crashes? It's true that the stock market can be volatile at times, but history has shown us that it always bounces back eventually. In fact, even during the Great Recession of 2008, the S&P 500 recovered all its losses within just 4 years. So if you're investing for the long-term, short-term market fluctuations shouldn't scare you. Now, I know investing can be scary, especially if you're new to the game. But trust me, the S&P 500 index is a safe and reliable option for anyone looking to grow their wealth. And think about how good it will feel when you start seeing those returns come in. You'll be one step closer to achieving your financial goals and living the life you've always dreamed of. So let's dive into why Warren Buffett loves the S&P 500 so much. Buffett has a lot of wisdom to share. He's often said that for most investors, the best approach is to invest in low-cost index funds that track the market over the long term. By doing this, you can avoid the risks associated with trying to pick individual stocks or time the market. So how can you invest in the S&P 500 and make the most of your money? One way is to invest in a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500, like the Vanguard S&P 500. However, plenty of low-cost options out there, and many of them offer automatic investing and other features that make investing a breeze. These funds allow you to invest in the index with minimal fees and hassle. And because they track the entire index, you can be confident that your money is well diversified and positioned for long-term growth. Before I wrap up this video, I want to encourage you to take action and start investing in the S&P 500 index. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned investor, this is a smart choice for growing your wealth over the long term. So make sure to do your research. Choose a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500 and start investing today. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Investing in the S&P 500 index is a smart choice for anyone who wants to build long-term wealth and achieve their financial goals. And with the tips and strategies I've shared in this video, you're well on your way to making the most of this powerful investment tool. So be sure to hit that subscribe button for more personal finance and investing content, and I'll see you in the next video.